Today, we're working on a 2026 Yamaha YZF R7. My buddy picked up a brand new TOCE exhaust system, so we're going to go ahead and install it and give you guys a sound comparison. After taking off all the plastics and anything that we needed to remove this exhaust, it was a really easy process to just pull it right off. And just looking at the original exhaust, it's no wonder he wants to replace it. It looks super heavy and extremely restrictive. And like I said earlier, he ended up getting a full TOCE exhaust, which they powder coated black. And I'm really excited to see how this thing looks on this bike. But first, we got to get a sound check without an exhaust on. So with everything installed, let's go ahead, slap these plastics back on, and then give you guys what you've been waiting for and check the sound difference. So with that, I hope that if you guys are considering a TOCE exhaust, that this video helps. Installation on this thing was extremely easy, and we had no issues at all. So with that, guys, appreciate you guys for watching, and as always, ride safe.